I'm Slav.
And I'm Slav.
We are
Slavs
for you. In today's episode,
We are taking on American corporate candy corporation.
yes, our traitor cousin from America sent us
Fuck
this.
you, Vladislav, fuck you.
Sent us this box full of American trash candy.
What the fuck is this shit?
This is American. Come here, American. We call him American because he's a pussy. He runs away because he's a pussy.
Like all Americans.
It looks like two black guys fucking something white. White getting fucked.
Yes, you can also taste the reaction.
We got Twinkies.
What are Twinkies?
Twi-
Vladislav, you
Vladislav,
son
you
of a bitch.
bastard! They're two missing.
You son of a bitch.
Fuck you, Vladislav.
Filthy American swine. America
So-
has changed you.
They look and smell like penises.
Yeah, but they don't taste like them.
No, not at all.
And the next item on the list is a very popular capitalist drink in America.
Yes. Mountain Dew. Mountain Dew.
Mountain juice.
How do they squeeze the juice out of the mountain?
And when did the Jews do it?
Why?
Why? Nobody knows.
I'm Slav.
And I'm Slav.
We are
Slavs
for
for
you.
you.